Ever wondered how some people always seem to get what they want? They walk into a room and instantly the whole world shifts in their favor. What if I told you there are 3 psychological tricks that can give you the same power? These tricks aren't about manipulation. They're about understanding human behavior and using it to your advantage. Stick around because I'm about to reveal these secrets, and trust me, once you know them, you'll never look at communication the same way again. The first trick is the power of authority. People are naturally wired to follow those who seem in control, those who give off an air of confidence. Here's the thing. You don't have to be the smartest or the strongest. Just act like you know what you're doing. This psychological principle works in every part of life, from business meetings to casual conversations. Project authority, and people will start to trust you and follow your lead, even if you're just starting out. The trick is confidence. If you show that you know what you're doing, others will believe it too. Section 2. Reciprocity, the law of give and take. The second trick is reciprocity, the law of give and take. Ever noticed how when someone does something nice for you, you feel an overwhelming need to return the favor? That's because our brains are wired to balance the scales. When you give, even in small ways, people feel an unconscious obligation to return the favor. It's a psychological phenomenon you can use to your advantage. If you want something from someone, offer something first, whether it's a compliment, a small favor, or even a genuine smile. By doing so, you'll create a bond that makes them more likely to help you in return. Section 3. The power of social proof. The third trick is social proof, the influence of the crowd. Have you ever been in a situation where everyone else is doing something and you feel compelled to follow along? That's social proof at work. People tend to rely on others to guide their decisions, especially when they're uncertain. This is why online reviews, testimonials, and trends are so powerful. When others are doing something, you feel it's the right choice. Use this to your advantage by surrounding yourself with people who support your goals, or by showing others that others are following your lead. Social proof can make people believe that you're the right choice, whether you're promoting a product, an idea, or even yourself. So there you have it. The 3 psychological tricks to rule the world. Authority, reciprocity, and social proof are the invisible forces that drive human behavior. Start using them and watch how people start gravitating towards you. If you want more psychological secrets like these, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know which trick you're going to use first and how you plan to take control of the world.